We're making a bear.
Apparently we're making a bear.
Except
Right now we're making the head.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna stuff it. I don't have any stuffing.
Mom has stuffing.
Oh, okay. Then that's what I usually do. I forgot what I just did.
Are you doing it? You're doing it this way? Then just pop it up. Okay. You did 2 there, 1 here.
Okay, so I need to do one more.
All right, y'all, I just got back from the gym, and now I'm going to make some gluten-free donuts, which seems like a little bit of a contradiction. That's what we're doing. I grew up gluten-free. When I was a kid, nobody knew what gluten was, not even doctors. And so donuts weren't really a big part of my life. There was an occasional time that we would go to a really expensive gluten-free bakery that we were very lucky to have in the city I grew up in, and we would get donuts, but they were really dense, I guess more like a cake donut, and they didn't taste that great. So I would stick with the other things that the bakery had. I have made, in the last few years, a few gluten-free like donut holes, like cake donut style. But today I'm going to try a yeast donut. It'll be the first time, and we're gonna see how. didn't have anything to make the inside cut with, so we used the lid of an avocado oil bottle. But now we're gonna have trouble getting it back out, so we're gonna have to figure that out. And it's a little bit sticky, trying to peel away the inside, but that's the party. All right, we are just on our way home and we shared the donuts with all our friends. And as far as gluten-free donuts go, they were pretty good. I enjoyed them. Oh, I got an awesome from the back seat. So we enjoyed them and we will probably try them again.